Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope all of you are doing great and I am also well. So today's video is super special because I am with my brother Minhaj and he has come from Adamji in Naranganj, and he has a dream to meet with me, and at last today he has come at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park in order to meet with me. So that's why now we both are at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park in Naranganj. So my dear brother, how are you today?
I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So how do you feel after meeting with me?
I'm very glad today because when I have come here and when I meet with you, so I feel so very glad today.
Okay, so what do you do?
Actually, brother, I'm an employee. I have been working in EPZ area,
Okay.
and I've been working for 10 years in printing line.
Okay, so you are also learning English, right?
Yes. Actually, I crazy to learn English, and I want to be a great speaker like you. So that's
Okay.
why I have come in Naranganj beside of Russell Park, and I wanted to meet with you. So today I'm very glad I have meet with you.
Okay, that's fantastic, and it's really amazing for me because nowadays people showing their interest about me, about my English video. They are interested to meet with me, and that's really something what matters for me. Okay, so brother, now we are at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park.
Right.
So tell me something about this beautiful park.
Actually, Sheikh Russell Park is so much amazing place, and a lot of people they spend there a lot of time and leisure time, and some people are walking on the way, and
Yes.
some people try to taking catch fish.
Yeah.
And I used to catch fish when I was child.
Yes, that's fantastic. Yeah, when we were coming at this place, that time we saw so many people trying to catch fish because it's Friday and they have some free time, right?
Right.
Okay, so what type of things you love to do in your free time?
Actually, I most like play cricket, and nowadays I don't spend my free time play cricket because I am learning English. So that's why when I get free time, obviously I try to my learn English.
Okay, so if I tell you, do you love to watch my English videos?
Obviously, when I get any free time, I try to open my YouTube channel and I try to watch your all videos.
Okay, so if I ask you, how did you find my first English video?
Actually, when I get in my YouTube channel before 6 months ago,
Yeah.
Suddenly your video has come in front of my mobile phone. So that time I watch your video.
Okay, that's really great. When I see that people are watching my videos and they are, showing their love and appreciation about me, it means a world to me. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And after finishing this video, my dear brother Minhaj will go for prayer, for his prayer. I mean Jumma prayer, as it's Friday, and later we will go to the Central Idgah in Naranganj in order to play cricket. And when I told this brother that in the afternoon time we are going to play cricket, that time this brother tell me, well brother, I am also interested about playing cricket. Will you take me with you? And then I told him that yeah, of course, why not? It will be better for us and we will enjoy so much by playing cricket, right brother?
Right.
Okay, that's the thing, and it's really I'm really glad that you have come far away from where I live and you meet with me, and I'm really feeling amazing. And I hope you are also happy today because we meet together and now we are making a video, right?
Right.
Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. And if you are also learning English, then try to practice, try to learn at least 5 or 10 words in a day, try to make video. This brother is also trying his best for learning English. So that's the thing. And brother, what will be your suggestion if someone wants to learn English?
Who are a beginner student, they can practice every day and they can try to simple English word, and after that they try to practice with each other people and with family or friend circle, and little by little we have to improving our learning English.
Yes, yes, this brother is really good at English, and I'm really glad, brother. Today I meet with you, and you also meet with me, and we are having a great time, right?
Right.
Okay, so that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. I hope you are also learning English, and keep trying, keep working hard, believe in yourself. If I can do this, if he can do this, you also can do this, right? Yes. So that's all for now. Have a great day to all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.
All the best.